Section 9. Proposed Program of Study. Here you can choose whether you will be attending a formal institution or doing private study. If you will be studying privately with an instructor, when you click Private Study, a separate menu will open which you can then fill out. This is outlined in the General Application Guidelines. In our case, we are going to pretend to be studying at a formal institution, so we will click on that. In the box where it asks you to provide a link to the institution, the easiest thing to do is to open a new web page on your browser, go to your institution, and then copy and paste the address in the address bar at the top of the page into this box. Please make sure the address you cut and paste is the most specific one pertaining to your program of study. That way the Scholarship Selection Committee members don't have to scroll or search through a bunch of different pages to find out more specific information about your program. In our case, as a dance applicant, we are studying at the Royal Winnipeg Ballet School. So we will go to the Royal Winnipeg Ballet site, then click on the school and find the link that pertains most to our program. Because this is a fairly big website and the home page is very general, we may want to look further through the site to find the link that is most pertinent to us. In other words, we may want to find a page within the website that is more specific to our needs. On this page, there's a link to the Professional Division and Recreational Division. So we'll click on that Professional Division, and within this, we have a number of programs. We have the Ballet Academic Program, the Teacher Training Program, the Aspirant Program, the Teacher Summer Workshop, and so on. Now we're getting closer to the actual program we want to study, so we will then copy and paste that address into the box on our application form. It is much more accurate to copy and paste this address from the website than to try to flip back and forth between screens and try to remember to type it correctly. It's very easy to miss a letter or a backsplash or the HTTP part, and so forth. Then your link won't work and the application form won't accept it. So make sure you copy the full address, including the HTTP part. Now we will paste it into the box on our application form. Next, we will type in the name of the institution. In the case of studying with a private teacher, as mentioned earlier, you have to submit some additional information from your teacher as a PDF form. Then we can enter the location of the program. In this case, it's Winnipeg, Manitoba. Then the nature of the proposed program, in our case, ballet. The status of the program, what year of the program you're in, if it's a 4-year program or more or less. In our case, we are putting year 2 of 7. Finally, you can click on whether or not you've received an acceptance letter into your program of study. If it's no, you can email a copy of it to the Nstt's Scholarship Program Coordinator when it comes in. If you check yes, a new block of text will appear asking you to attach your acceptance letter. Remember, all written documents you attach to your applications must be in PDF format. We are going to click on No, and then click the Next button at the bottom of the page.